And we're back. Okay. Three more or something, okay. So that's same goals, yep. And still with the psychological reversal, okay, so still working through that. Tuning for combination. Ladder energy, that's externalized fear. Oh, really? Ladder, gallbladder, so they're two yang meridians, so they're both about externalized, so it's about seeing it, feeling it, and you know it's there, but it's sort of like externalized fear feeding externalized anger, so it's sort of we don't get to suppress it when it's so tangible. So the flower essence combination for them is Osatillo. It's a desert flower. Transcend. Okay. Right, so it's quite about your subconscious or unexpressed feelings. So which one do we need? Bladder or gallbladder, bladder or gallbladder, gallbladder. Okay, so it's a bit of a cool one. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively transcend my subconscious or unexpressed feelings which erupt in uncontrolled, oh for goodness sake,